A for albatross. The albatross, a magnificent seabird, graces the open oceans with its awe-inspiring presence. With a wingspan that can stretch over 11 feet, it is a true master of the skies. Cloaked in predominantly white plumage, the albatross exudes elegance with subtle dark markings on its wings and tail. B for the bluebird, a charming and dainty creature, graces the landscape with its vivid and cheerful presence. Cloaked in hues of azure, cobalt, or cerulean, its feathers paint the sky with an enchanting palette. This small passerine bird captures hearts with its delicate size and captivating, melodious songs. C for canary. The canary bird, a petite and vibrant avian companion, is a charming presence with its dazzling plumage and melodic tunes. Often adorned in shades of bright yellow, the canary captivates with its sunny disposition and small, delicate frame. D for dove. The dove, a symbol of peace and purity, graces the skies with its gentle presence. Cloaked in feathers of soft whites, grays, or muted earth tones, the dove embodies elegance and simplicity. With a plump body and a graceful demeanor, it is a vision of serenity in flight. E for eagle. The eagle, a majestic and powerful raptor, commands the skies with its awe-inspiring presence. Known for its keen eyesight, formidable beak, and strong talons, the eagle is the epitome of grace and strength in the avian world. F for flamingo. The flamingo, a vision of elegance and vibrancy, graces watery habitats with its distinctive presence. With long, slender legs and a graceful neck, the flamingo's silhouette is a testament to nature's artistry. The most striking feature, perhaps, is its vibrant plumage, ranging from soft pinks to deeper coral hues. G for goldfinch. The goldfinch, a small songbird with a radiant presence, is a delightful visitor to gardens and meadows. Its vibrant plumage, adorned with shades of yellow and black, makes it a living burst of sunshine against the green foliage. H for hummingbird. The hummingbird, a jewel of the avian world, is a tiny marvel that captivates with its iridescent plumage and enchanting aerial feats. With diminutive size and rapid wing beats, these avian acrobats are a symbol of agility and grace. I for ibis. The ibis, a slender and elegant wader, graces wetlands and marshy habitats with its distinctive appearance and graceful movements. With a long, slender bill and distinctive downward curved beak, the ibis is adapted for probing in the mud and water to find its prey. J for jay. The jay, a lively and colorful member of the crow family, brings a burst of energy and intelligence to woodlands and gardens. With striking plumage that often includes shades of blue, white, and black, the jay is a vibrant presence among the greenery. K for kingfisher. The kingfisher, a jewel-like bird with a penchant for aquatic environments, enchants with its vivid plumage and exceptional fishing prowess. Characterized by striking hues of blue, green, and copper, the kingfisher's iridescent feathers make it a stunning spectacle along riverbanks and lake shores. L for lark. The lark, a small and unassuming songbird, elevates the meadows and fields with its joyous melodies and aerial displays. With subtle plumage often adorned in shades of brown and buff, the lark's unpretentious appearance belies its remarkable vocal talents and lively demeanor. M for magpie. The magpie, a highly intelligent and sociable bird, graces diverse landscapes with its distinctive black and white plumage, often marked by iridescent hues. With a reputation for cleverness and resourcefulness, the magpie adds an air of mystery and charm to both urban and rural settings. N for nightingale. The nightingale, a renowned songbird, enchants the world with its captivating melodies and subtle elegance. Though modest in appearance, with a plain brownish plumage, the nightingale's vocal prowess makes it a celebrated musician of the avian realm. O for owl. The owl, a symbol of wisdom and mystery, commands the night with its silent flight and penetrating gaze, cloaked in soft, mottled feathers. The owl's enigmatic appearance and nocturnal habits contribute to its revered status in various cultures worldwide. P for peacock. The peacock, a resplendent and regal bird, captures the imagination with its extravagant display of iridescent plumage and majestic demeanor. Cloaked in hues of dazzling blues, greens, and golds, the peacock is a living work of art, adorned with eye-catching feathers that form a spectacular fan-like train. Q for quail. The quail, a charming and ground-dwelling bird, adds a touch of rustic elegance to grassy landscapes and open woodlands. With modest yet distinctive plumage, quails display a delicate combination of earthy tones, often featuring mottled patterns that serve as effective camouflage in their natural habitats. R for robin. The robin, a beloved harbinger of spring and a symbol of renewal, graces gardens and woodlands with its cheery presence. Recognized by its distinctive red or orange breast, the robin's appearance heralds the changing seasons, bringing a burst of color to the landscape. S for sparrow. The sparrow, a modest yet ubiquitous avian companion, brings warmth to urban landscapes, meadows, and countryside alike. With a subdued plumage in shades of brown, grey, and buff, the sparrow's unassuming appearance belies its significance as a symbol of resilience and community. T for toucan. The toucan, a tropical marvel with its distinctive and flamboyant appearance, brings a touch of exotic splendor to the lush rainforests of Central and South America. Known for its large, brightly colored bill and striking plumage, the toucan is a charismatic and iconic representative of avian diversity. U for uguizu. The uguizu, also known as the Japanese bush warbler, is a small yet enchanting bird that graces the landscapes of Japan. Renowned for its subtle beauty and distinctive song, the uguizu holds a special place in Japanese culture and tradition. V for vulture. Vultures are large scavenging birds known for their vital role in ecosystems as nature's cleanup crew, with distinctive broad heads and sharp beaks. They are well adapted for their scavenging lifestyle. Vultures play a crucial ecological role by feeding on carrion, helping to prevent the spread of diseases and maintaining the cleanliness of their habitats. W for woodpecker. The woodpecker, a master of rhythm and adaptation, adds a lively and distinctive touch to woodlands and forests around the world. Recognized by its unique behavior and striking appearance, the woodpecker is a testament to nature's ingenuity. X for Xanthus hummingbird. The Xanthus hummingbird, named after Hungarian ornithologist John Xanthus, is a dazzling jewel of the avian world found primarily in the Baja California. Peninsula and the southern regions of Mexico. This charismatic hummingbird boasts a striking appearance, making it a sought-after sighting for birdwatchers. Y for yellow warbler. The yellow warbler, a delightful harbinger of summer, brings a splash of sunshine to North American landscapes with its vibrant plumage and cheerful presence. Dressed in bright yellow from head to tail, the male yellow warbler is a living ray of sunshine, while the female exhibits a more subdued but equally charming yellow-green hue. Z for zebra finch. The zebra finch, a small and sociable songbird native to Australia, captivates with its distinctive appearance and cheerful melodies. Recognized for the bold black and white stripes that adorn its plumage, the zebra finch exhibits a striking contrast that contributes to its charm.